Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a new vacancies which is come from Global Ace. There are three vacancies which are come from Global Ace. So let's start this video. But before starting this video, I request you please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. So let's get it started. So the first vacancy is for BE BTech and the role is software analyst. If you have a knowledge about C and C++, then you can apply for this profile. This profile, the salary is 3.8 LPA and the job location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and Chennai. And they are the service agreement which is 24 months. Now discussing about the eligibility criteria. If you can done BE BTech with any branch, then you can apply for this profile. So only 2020 and 2021 batch student can apply for this file. Now your percentage cutoff is 60%. If you got less than 60%, then you can't apply for this file. But if your percentage is equal to 60% and higher than 60%, then you can apply for this profile. Now discussing about the selection process. First round is online test, that is aptitude and reasoning. Second round is language based questions. Now third round is technical round and last is HR round. How you can apply for this profile? So I am giving the link in the description box. When you are clicking this link, you directly come in this site. First you verify your email address and fill your personal details like your name, your contact number, your qualification details, and after filling all the details, click on the checkbox and click on the submit button. That's it. Now discussing about the next, which is for BCA, BSc and diploma students. Okay, so now discussing about next vacancy, and the role is software analyst and the salary is 2.7 LPA. Now they are the service agreement, that is 24th month and your job location is Bangalore. Now discussing about eligibility criteria. If you have done a BC, BSc and diploma, then you can apply for this profile and your branch is 2020-2021. Okay, and your percentage is 60%. If you have a percentage is greater than 60%, then you can apply for this profile. But if your percentage is less than 60%, then you can't apply for this profile. Now discussing about the selection process. First round is the online test, second is technical round and last is HR round. So that's it about this. And now discussing about the registration process. That is the same process which I am already discussing in the previous vacancy. Okay, so come on the next vacancy. This is for MTech. If you are done MTech, then you can apply for this profile and the salary for this profile is 5 to 6 LP and your role is software analyst. And if you have a knowledge about C, C++, Python and Java, then you can apply for this profile. There are also a service agreement, that is 24th month and your job location is Bangalore. Now discussing about the eligibility criteria. If you have done a MTech with computer, electronics, data science, IoT and control, then you can apply for this profile and this profile only for 2020 and 2021 batch. If your percentage is less than 60%, then you can't apply for this profile. But if your percentage is greater than 60% and is close to 60%, then you can apply for this profile. Now discussing about the selection process. There are three rounds. First is online test, second is technical round and last is HR round. So now how you can apply for this profile? Same process which I am already discussing with you. So that's all about today's video. See you and bye bye.